Now, this little rolling magnet does a pretty good job, but it's not perfect. I'm guessing there are going to be hundreds of pounds of nails and screws to pick up during this cleanup operation. And this thing, while it does the job, it also kind of drags on the ground. The wheels go into a low spot and it scrapes the nails and screws that you've already picked up right off the bottom of the magnet. So that's not an ideal situation. Plus it's a little bit slow going because it is kind of small. I think I may have found a better option. But there is zero adjustability to that bolt. So I guess I'll stick a wedge in there. That's what you get for buying the cheap stuff. This certainly is not going to be a perfect solution, but it might be a little bit better. Let me try an area that I've already cleaned all the rubble off of and have raked smooth. Probably going to be a lot better in that circumstance. Well, this definitely works, but I don't think it's the end-all be-all in cleaning up nails and screws that I thought it might be. It has to be real low to the ground, so it's still going to drag on high spots. The clamping screws don't clamp. Whether it's better than the smaller one that you have to push by hand or not, I'm not sure. I'm going to go use it a little bit, see what I can figure out on some of the other spots I've been cleaning up. There's a good possibility I'm just going to send this one back. Now, when I went looking for something like this, I found these in all sorts of price ranges, ranging from about $150 for a big wide one that mounts to a set of forks like this, to things that were several $1,000s, some things that were really fancy. I'm not sure what made them that much nicer, but probably they worked better. When I was looking, I noticed that Vevor sold these and that there were some other kind of off-brands. I found one of those off-brands at Lowe's, went to their website, ordered it from them, had it shipped. Turns out it is the Vevor one, and it was more money at Lowe's than it would have been if I'd ordered it from Vevor directly. The good news is I'm hoping Lowe's will take this back, because so far I don't see any reason that this is better than the little 30-inch rolling magnet from Harbor Freight. Seems like a good idea to get a bigger swath of ground, do it from the skid steer, but you got to get in and out of the skid steer to dump it. It still drags on the ground because you still got to be really close to the ground to get the thing to pick up anything, and it just proves to be a problem. The clamping bolts are a nuisance. If the rest of it worked really well, I could easily replace those bolts with something else. But since it's kind of a pain and doesn't really work as cleanly and smoothly as I thought it might, I'm just going to try and return the thing. I don't see any reason to hold on to it, so I'm not going to mess with those bolts. Now, if you were cleaning up a warehouse floor or something like that that was concrete and you could just set it to a fixed height, that would be fine. But on the rough ground, the piles of debris, all that, it just is not functioning very well. Boy, the clouds come and go. I can see this getting brighter and going up and down with the exposure. Sorry about that. Anyways, that's really all I got today. I just wanted to see how this thing worked. Not very happy with it. Gonna have to spend time taking it back and hope that the local Lowe's will take back something that I ordered online. Anyways, thanks for taking your time to watch the video. Hope that helps you out if you were thinking about one of these things. Not something I would recommend. We'll see you for the next video.